Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. First off, I want to say thank you to the channel members. Thank you guys and gals so much, and thank you for anyone who comes in to check out my knife, my EDC videos. I appreciate you. If you're so inclined and you haven't had a chance yet, if you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon, it'll really help me out. So today is kind of a combination of an unboxing from Lynch Northwest and a little bit of modification. So this, to my surprise, Casey sent out with a keychain, this little thing, these little things, and then some stickers to share with you guys, and a little card. But basically what we have here is we have the Lynch Northwest Modular Spyderco replacement clip. So what you have here is you have this machine clip with this extra part that you install into the knife, and then you install the clip into the mount, and allegedly we have a different clip. So the clip that I've got that's kind of purpley anyway is on my Yojimbo. So I thought we would give the Yojimbo with an MX gear clip a spa treatment and remove this guy. And see, we may have to go to a pair of two, which I have, but if I'm not mistaken, I think this clip will fit this knife. So I'm just putting up my other clip, get it out of the way, and then I'll break out these are made in America. Oh yeah. So see, that'll go in just like that. And then we'll screw our clip in just like that. And that will look very cool. So I'm stoked. Let's start with our base screws. Try not to mix these up. I really like my CountyCom little glow pad for stuff like this. It does seem to make it easier. I don't know why. I guess because it's not as big maybe. And put this in. And let's put this in. Those are all tightened down. Nothing coming through that I can tell. Nope. Alright. Now, we got that on. Now this should go on just like that. We will see. So guys, we now have the Spyderco machine clip that works like an absolute champ on our Yojimbo 2. No wiggle, fits tight. Make sure I've got these back screws tweaked in. They are. They are. So guys, look at the slickness that is the Lynch Northwest Modular replacement kits. That is awesome, guys. Very innovative and very slick. Guys, thanks for taking a look. Thanks for checking out my, I guess you'd call it, clip install and my unboxing of the Lynch Modular Spyderco clip. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you, Get Good Screw, for the killer driver. And thank you all. If you would, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.